What's up, guys? Here's an update. I did do a single stage jet black. Then I sanded it down, 800 grit, and then I clear coated it. But I ran into a problem when I was clear coating. My garage lost power. I couldn't get to the breaker. Long story short, but the car came out good. But I'm gonna add the video. I did, when I was sanding, I got carried away in this area here, and I sprayed some regular black spray paint in the area I just pointed out, and here and here around the edges. And I did clear my car, right? And I noticed when the car dried and it had that glass finish, I noticed that the black here was not even really black. It was some sort of like gray. I'm gonna put a little clip of a video inside so you guys can see. And I'm not saying that I'm perfect or it's going to come out show quality, but I am really anal with stuff like that. Stuff like that's gonna bother me. Obviously, I don't have no fender flares, or at the very back there where I pointed out earlier, that was gonna be noticeable as soon as the car hits the sun or when I go to a car show. So I came back, hit it with 800. I did clear coat it. I think it was 2 coats, two and a half, because I lost power. But I did let it dry for like a week. Then I sanded it down again with 800. I do have some clear left. I got like half a gallon and 4 gallons there. So I have enough clear. I'm going to be waiting for the weekend. So I'm gonna, degrease everything, tack it, and I'm gonna spray it with clear again. And I'm gonna record this time for you guys, but I'm letting you guys know this process. It's been a learning process, a lot of mistakes made by me. I did get some runs on the clears, but it's easier you can just 800 grit. Even if you weren't to sand the whole car down, usually I think it's like 1,200, 15, 2,000, and then 3,000, and then you use some buffing compound. But yeah, this is not as easy as it looks. But don't worry about the windshield. The windshield's cracked. I need to take it off anyways. But let's see. It's gonna be worth it. This is the car my dad's going to be driving. As you guys know, I'm gonna be driving the yellow one. I didn't paint this one. I know I'm gonna end up falling in love with this one because I did this one. It's a mental thing, but yeah. So I'm gonna get back to you guys with some type of time lapse of when I'm laying the clear down. Here is about a day after. Oops, almost fell. I'm still gonna have to get the little dust specks out. I'm gonna have to use some compound. But one step closer. And here's the bumper. I clear this too. I have to clear the back bumper, but I have to sand it down. This is the original single stage. So I gotta sand this down and cover and tape the chrome back up again. I already did the wing, the rear spoiler.